Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Woldolf's Garage. Today we are going to be going over the grill cover for the EcoDiesel, when to put it on, different times, the flaps opening and things like that. So stay tuned and check it out. Okay, so first things first, if you do have an EcoDiesel, the plug is actually located under this black flap right here above the headlight. It's actually kind of between the headlight and the grill and the radiator here. And you'll have your plug in for your engine block heater. I've been plugging mine in. It has been well below zero here. It's gotten pretty cold actually, so I've been plugging mine in every night. Now the grill cover looks like that. And then it's got flaps on it. You can open up, they actually tuck behind, and I'll show you how to use those here in just a second whenever I get it put on. First, what you'll do is you will lay it out like that. And it's got two plastic clips that go on both sides of the hood release. So we'll put those on. And then tuck this down back behind the hood release so that way it doesn't get caught on it whenever, or it doesn't get in the way whenever you close the hood and you're trying to open it later. It's got one little hook that goes here, right next to the hood stop here. And then it's got another hook that goes next to the other one. On this side over here, it's got these longer straps and they go up on the plastic on both sides. Just like that. From that point forward, it's just going to be these tabs here that'll slide in between the different things. This one goes in between your headlights and grill. This one here goes in between the bumper and grill. You just push it in. It's pretty tight fit. And then it's got two more, one here, and then another small one on this side over here. And these just get pushed in. And then this last one over here, just tuck it in like that. And that is your grill cover. So I've been reading the forums. I don't have the actual paperwork with it. So disclaimer, I don't know if all this information is right. This is what I've been doing and it's been working out for me. So I've been reading the forums and basically anything below 19 degrees is having all these flaps closed. So that's what I've been doing. It's been working out. The truck's not overheating. It's not getting too hot or anything like that. So below 19 degrees, all the flaps closed. From what I've been reading, it looks like people put these on or whenever the temperatures get down around 40 degrees and below. And between 40 to 32 degrees or 40 to 19 degrees, I'm sorry, I just close one on both sides. Still lets a little bit of airflow. It still warms up faster and I don't have any issues with it. But then below the 19 degrees, I'll close all the flaps and it heats up pretty quick. It's been getting down to -5. I know that recommendations, if you look up Mopar's website, recommendations is for way colder than that. This is my first diesel. This is kind of what I've been reading on the forums. So that's what I've been following with them. The grill cover came with the truck. I didn't buy it. It just kind of came with it. So that's what that is. I know that FCA did release a letter and they said that these grill covers need to be put on anytime the temperature is consistently below 30 degrees day and night. They said that if you do not put this on, whenever the temperatures consistently stay below 30 degrees, the charge air cooler will have, or could possibly have internal icing. And if that happens, it says that it will set off your MIL light on the dash. And then that is a contributor to the problem with not having this grill cover on. So that's what I know about it. That's my experience with it. Hopefully, if you guys have more information, leave a comment down below. And then the other thing I kind of wanted to touch on for a second, because I had absolutely no idea whenever I bought this truck, and then I started messing with it, and there wasn't a ton of information out there. I did start reading the forums and things like that and seeing what other people are doing. If you look at the owner's manual says that the only thing it really says about the engine block heater is for temperatures of negative 22 degrees Fahrenheit, and it just says that it creates a quicker engine start, is the only information I got on it. So what I've been doing is anytime the temperature is down, say around 0 and below, I'll plug it in. I don't have any issues at all. I've never had a hard start. The truck stays in the garage, and like I said, I always plug it in whenever it gets cold like that. So haven't had any issues with that. Keep my engine or my cover on the grill, and we've been good to go. So hopefully this information helps you. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to look it up and see what I can find. All right, I know it was a quick one today, but it is freezing outside, and I just wanted to go over this real quick while the temperatures were lower, so that way you guys can see how the engine cover works and talk a little bit about the heater, the engine block heater. So thanks for tuning in, and you guys have a great rest of your day.